Hey coffee enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home espresso with the modified Gaggia Classic Pro Automatic Espresso Machine Upgrade Kit. This kit is a game changer for any home barista looking to elevate their coffee making experience. Let's talk about what makes this kit so special. First off, let's talk about build quality. The modified Gaggia Classic Pro is built like a tank, with stainless steel construction that ensures durability and longevity. From the moment you unbox it, you can feel the craftsmanship that has gone into making this machine. But what really sets this kit apart are the accessories. The two puck screens, WDT tool, and keychain are not just add-ons, they're essential tools for achieving barista-level precision in your espresso making. The puck screens ensure even extraction, while the WDT tool helps to distribute your coffee grounds evenly for consistent results every time. And let's not forget the keychain, a handy little accessory that's perfect for on-the-go coffee lovers. And when it comes to performance, the modified Gaggia Classic Pro does not disappoint. With advanced features and intuitive controls, brewing the perfect shot of espresso has never been easier. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll appreciate the precision and consistency that this machine offers. Overall, the modified Gaggia Classic Pro Automatic Espresso Machine Upgrade Kit is a must-have for any coffee lover. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift, this kit has everything you need to take your home brewing to the next level. So go ahead, indulge in rich, flavorful espresso right in the comfort of your own home with the modified Gaggia Classic Pro. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.